In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram story in Canva. We'll go through the full process from opening Canva to getting your story ready to post on Instagram. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. This is a very beginner-friendly workflow, and once you do it once, it becomes much faster the next time. Start by opening Canva. When you're on the main screen, look for the option that says Create a Design and click it. This is where you begin any new project in Canva. If you already know you want to make something specifically for Instagram stories, this is the quickest way to jump into the right format and avoid sizing issues later. Next, select Instagram Story, which uses the 9:16 vertical format. This size is important because it fits properly on mobile screens and is designed for the way Instagram stories are displayed. Choosing the correct format from the start helps make sure your content looks clean, centered, and professional, without needing to resize things manually. Once the design opens, you can decide whether to choose a template or start with a blank design. If you want something fast and polished, a template is a great option. Canva has many ready-made layouts that already include text placement, color schemes, and visual balance. If you prefer more creative control, starting with a blank design gives you the freedom to build everything from scratch. After that, customize your story with text, photos, videos, and elements. This is where your design starts to come to life. You can click into text boxes to change the wording, adjust fonts, colors, and sizes, and move things around until the layout feels right. You can also add photos or videos to make the story more dynamic, and use elements like shapes, icons, or lines to create emphasis and style. As you customize, try to keep the design easy to read and not too crowded, especially since people will be viewing it quickly on their phones. When you're happy with the final result, click Download or Share. If you want to save the file to your device first, choose Download. If you're ready to send it straight to a posting workflow, use Share. From there, you can post it on Instagram and make it part of your story content. And that's it. That's how to create an Instagram story in Canva, from setting up the design to exporting it and getting it ready to share.